Welcome back everybody to Outdoor Adventures with Doc, and in today's video we have an unboxing and product review for you. I couldn't have picked a better spring day, our first wonderful spring day of the year to be out here and do this. But before I tell you what it is, I'm going to surprise you by opening it up and showing you. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. Now I'll give you a little hint, I'll throw you a little bone. This is going to be something that will make your camping trip with your electronics much easier. So, can you guess? Can you guess what it is? I bet you can, especially after you've already seen the thumbnail on the video. Anyway, here we go. Check it out. Straight from Amazon, we have the WattFunn portable power station. Now, this boasts that it's a 300 watt power station. Really, I think it's about 297. I think is what it's rated for. But you know, I'll get into all the specs and everything for you here in just a few moments. All right, here we go. Open it up and look at what all it's talking about. Here we go. We got our user manual that I'm sure somebody will read. I guess I'll probably read it at some point. Now, it's got this little carry case here. And if you're wondering what's inside, I'm guessing cables. Hey, what'd I tell you? So, it's got the power outlets for your wall. It's also got your power cord for your solar panels if you decide to go the solar panel route at some point, and your 12-volt car and your wall plug. So there you go, all in its neat, convenient little carry case, which I think is kind of cool, because I don't know about you, but I lose stuff all the time. All right, now let's get to the unit itself. Not sure how well you can see this thing here, but yeah, you've got your AC. I'm sorry, your 12 volt here. You've got your input for your solar panels. Got your two plugs here for your AC, and your two USB and your Type-C USB. And let's see, got an LED light. I bet you money this thing doesn't have any juice in it yet. Oh, look at that. Okay, well, it's at about 64% charged. So honestly, I'm really surprised about that, but not complaining. Let's see if we got this little light. There's 1, 2, 3. That's not bad. It's pretty bright. Really, all you need. So initial impressions, right out the box. You know, it's 12 pounds. It's not very heavy. It's nice. It's got these little rubber feet on the bottom to help it from sliding around. It's kind of a cool looking design. It's very sturdy. It's got your vents here. These, to me, these look like little, like you see the memes, the glasses, you know, the gangster memes. And then over on this side, as you can see, it's got the snowflake design here. So again, initial impressions right out the bat, it looks cool, but time will tell when we decide to put it to the test, which is coming up soon, mind you. So stay tuned for the follow-up video of the putting this thing through its paces, testing it out. And I will give you my honest review. If it's a piece of shit, I'll tell you. If it's a wonderful thing, I'll tell you that as well. Doesn't matter. I'm not getting paid for this video. I didn't get paid for this. I spent my own hard money on it. So if it sucks, I'm out. $300. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and hit like, share this video, share the channel, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and we'll catch you on the next video.